Ford is laying the foundation for its autonomous vehicle business in Miami, Florida. It is a three-pronged approach that is still in its infancy, but it includes a delivery pilot in partnership with Dominos and Postmates, testing cars without a driver in the city and scenarios for a fleet management center. Many other companies in the autonomous driving space have begun to test both delivery and hail services, but few have established dedicated fleet management centers that will facilitate the maintenance and operation of these vehicles without a driver. Determining the best way to manage a fleet of vehicles without a driver will depend to a large extent on the ability of any company to launch and expand its service. Without drivers, the company must determine who or what will assume the responsibility and maintenance costs of these vehicles. There is no longer an Uber driver in the front seat to take the car to details on its own. Sharif Marikby, Vice President of Autonomous Vehicles and Electrification at Ford, said the company has yet to decide whether to operate this network of fleet management centers on its own or to partner with another company.